faded slow behind my smile. A lonely darkness started to grow. I write your name with silent tears every night alone. My broken dreams so cry inside this empty home. Yet you're